where we explore the legends of the automotive world. Today, we're turning back the clock to the late 60s, a time when muscle cars ruled the streets and raw power was the name of the game. Our spotlight is on the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396, a true classic reborn with a black cherry metallic paint job that casts a mesmerizing spell on anyone who lays eyes on it. Overview. Design and presence. The N67 Chevelle SS 396 exudes elegance and muscle. Its long, curved lines, reminiscent of a Coca-Cola bottle, make it look both graceful and powerful. The single-piece chromed bumper at the front and quad headlights design give it an unmistakable presence. The SS badge takes center stage on the raked-forward grille, emphasizing its performance pedigree on none. Under the hood, pop the hood, and you'll find a heart-pounding 396 cubic inch V8 engine. With chrome valve covers and a matching air cleaner, it's a sight to behold. Paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and a 12-bolt rear end, this Chevelle means business. The dual exhaust system lets the engine breathe deep, and its sound is nothing short of intoxicating. Interior time capsule. Step inside and you're transported to the 60s. The black vinyl interior feels like a fabulous time capsule. The bucket seats cradle you comfortably as you hit the open road. The Delco AM/FM radio and working clock in the center console add to the vintage vibe, and that tachometer with an integrated turn signal indicator. It's a nice touch, hinting at the power lurking beneath the hood. Black cherry magic. The black cherry metallic paint dances under the sun, while chrome accents and badging add a touch of retro cool. Rolling on 15 wheels, wrapped in 235 Sectir 15 tires. This Chevelle has an imposing and inviting stance. It's a car that beckons you to hop in and experience the rumble of that big block V8 firsthand. In summary, the 1967 Chevrolet S 396 is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or simply appreciate the raw power and style of the muscle car era, this Chevelle is the real deal. Join us next time on Auto Analyst as we continue our journey through automotive legends. Until then, keep those engines revving. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Analyst.